How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. With the recent WhatsApp update, you can now add music to your WhatsApp status. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. To do that, open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Then, tap on the search icon at the bottom. Next, tap on the search bar, type WhatsApp and search for it. If the update button is available, tap on it to get the latest version of WhatsApp. Once updated, tap the open button. Then, WhatsApp will open, redirecting you to chat section. Now tap on the updates tab available at the bottom. Over here, you will see the status section. Tap on add status. Now create a status that you want to add on WhatsApp. Please note that, as of now, you can only add music to images and videos. You cannot add music to text or voice. So make sure to create a status with an image or video only. Once created, you will see various options at the top. The very first option is for music. Tap on it. Now, you can browse through the list of available songs or directly search for a desired song. For convenience, I will search for the song that I am looking for. Tap on the search bar, type in the song name, then select the song from the search result by tapping the right arrow next to the song name. Now, drag the white box to choose the best part of the song that you want to add to your WhatsApp status. Once satisfied, tap on the Done button available at the top. If you wish, you can also add stickers, text, captions and more to your WhatsApp status. But for this tutorial, I won't add any of them. Finally, tap the green post button available at the bottom. As you can see, my recent WhatsApp status has been posted. Tap on it. Then, you will see the current views on your WhatsApp status. Tap on the views option. After that, you will see your recently posted status. As you can see, the song name and author are displayed at the top, confirming that the song has been added successfully. Since I might receive a copyright strike, so I have muted the audio. But you will be able to hear the song if you follow the steps shown earlier. And boom! You have successfully added music to your WhatsApp status. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.